It is, yes.
Right. And any priors, Mr. Howard?
18. He got CWAC charge.
Okay.
It's open and felon. I guess he went to court for that today. It was probably no bond. On probation for battery DV out of the cab. 2025 fade to appear. 23 fade to appear.
All right, thank you. On the willful obstruction, law enforcement officer is going to be a 500 signature bond through the jail. And we are going to reset this case to November 13th since he's got the felony hold. Thank you.
You saw the charges?
Yeah, I
Oh,
did. Okay, then while we're waiting on Hemp Hill.
Your Honor. Hi.
Hi.
oh, she was done.
No.
For Hemp Hill
Ignore
position,
Howard, Milton. Ignore Howard. Okay.
I will. Hemp Hill position 18. She was talking to Attorney Ahmed, and she talked to him. How to describe her? In other ways, she kind of waved her appearance.
You don't think she waived her appearance?
Yeah, she did. Please, because I don't want to bring her back.
But she did waive her appearance.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm waiting for Attorney Ahmed to address this case. Okay.
My text, I'm not seeing anything. Let's see.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
All right. So in the meantime, I'm trying to find if there are any other cases that, because there are 4,200 pages in this calendar today, and I have Lamar Poss, P-O-S-S.
That's mine.
All right. Is that a waiver, Mr. McLean?
It's a waiver.
All right. And Mr. Poss, Lamar Boris Poss, is accused of theft by shoplifting, battery, and willful obstruction of a law enforcement officer from October 23rd, 2025, and case number 25 CR 6838E. Any priors, Mr. Howard?
State, I got first arrest. What say you?
I say the same.
Okay.
All right.
I was kind of shocked, but yeah, it's first arrest.
Me too. It was
Yeah.
it's very
Yes.
random.
Yeah.
All right. And Ms. Spear, what are you recommending?
1,500 on the battery, 1,000 for the shoplifting, and 500 on the willful obstruction because there was no violence. We also want no drugs, alcohol, or weapons. Stay away from the Peachtree Mart at 235 Peachtree Street, and no further contact with the owner, Juan Han, W-A-N-H-A-N.
Easy name to remember. Theft by shoplifting is 1,500, battery is 1,500, willful obstruction is 500. This is a 3,500 signature bond through pretrial services, level 1. Maintain a current residential address, stay away from the Peachtree Mart location, and have no further contact with Juan, J-U-A-N, Han, H-A-N. Next court date will be sent to his current address.
Does he have an address?
Can I ask the deputies to print out the bond order and hand it to him? Because he's there at the jail. And when I saw him, he was in intake, so I won't be able to give him this.
I have a address that says same as below. What does that mean?
Exactly.
Yeah,
I saw
usually
that
that
earlier.
means homeless. Usually.
Same as what?
Usually that means homeless.
I mean, what does it say? Same as what? Below?
Below. I've never seen that before on this on our system.
All
For
right.
real.
I'm amending this bond then. I'm sorry, I can't do this through a pretrial if his address is not available. On the theft by shoplifting, that's going to be a $20 cash bond. On the battery is going to be a $30 cash bond, and the willful obstruction is going to be a $5 cash bond. This is a $55 cash bond. Next, same restrictions, and stay away, and next court date is November 13.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Emmanuel Robinson, theft by shoplifting from August 21st. Is that a waiver?
Robinson is a waiver, yes.
All right.
32 and 33.
He's got 2 cases, right?
Yep. And his first case on position 32 is 25 CR 6814B, theft by shoplifting from August 21st. His second case is also theft by shoplifting from October 28th of this year. Case number 25 CR 6825B. Any priors, Mr. Howard?
I didn't do the total, but he's on probation in Fulton as of July. Shoplifting trespass. It's
Mm.
25 CR 004201B. On parole out of Dallas, Texas for burglary. I saw 2 fugitive from justice holds out of Texas, so I'm sure he's
Oh.
going back
Yeah.
eventually.
And 6841, yeah, those are the 2 open cases. I do see his probation case under 4201B. Okay.
And let me document just a little housekeeping here. When I sent the first waiver over, I didn't notice the second one on the calendar because it was on a different page. So I corrected, it's a courtesy notation at the top of the page on what calendar number it is. And I Paz's number, I said number 30 something. So I mistakenly put Paz's number or his number on Paz or something like that. So now I've recently sent y'all a corrected waiver with the correct courtesy calendar notation of position, but all the case numbers are correct anyway. So there was only one extra sheet of paper I had to send you.
Well, from all that, Mr. McLean, can I just clarify, did he waive his presence in both cases?
Oh, he did.
Okay, so Ms. Evans Battle, do you have a bond recommendation?
It's a $1,500 surety for each case, totaling $3,000. Have a social worker visit for BHET. Stay away from 3503 Camp Creek Parkway, East Point Racetrack, and also all Walmarts. I think he's already under an order to do that from his prior case. Have no drugs, alcohol, and weapons while out on bond.
Mr. McLean?
We intend to have a social worker talk to him about a list of shelters or any other housing needs that he has, Your Honor, because he's residentially challenged at this time. He's 35, high education, good sales manager. He's worked in construction and he's worked in heavy machinery operating it. So he's quite skilled. We would ask the bond to be put as low as possible.
All right. $50 cash bond on each case. Stay away from the racetrack store at 3503 Camp Creek Parkway. I think that's in East Point. Yeah. No illegal drugs, alcohol, and weapons. And both cases are reset to November 13.
Your Honor, which case was this?
Both of them, position 32 and 33. They both involve the same store.
Where did the Walmart come from?
That's from his prior probation case.
Oh, because I heard, so it's to stay away from the racetrack on both?
Yeah. They both have the same
Okay.
steel and $50 cash bond on each of
I don't
them.
know. I guess I don't. I have the second case was Walmart is what I have.
That's why I was kind of confused when she said Walmart.
Yeah. First case is Camp Creek Parkway and the second case is Walmart.
Okay, August 21st, 2025 is racetrack at Camp Creek Parkway. Oh, it's the same warrant. Okay, sorry about that. They had duplicate warrant in this case. 10/28, you're right, it was a Walmart. So for the incident on October 28th, position 32, that's a stay away from the Walmart. And that's at 844 Cleveland Avenue in East Point. At this rate, I'm going to empty out that Walmart of shoppers. So, okay. Anything else? Oh, my next waiver. And I have to get back to Mr. Ahmed.
So it's just stay away from the one Walmart's from Cleveland Avenue?
Yeah, 844 Cleveland Avenue. Okay. All right, that dispenses of all others except Marshall and Hemphill. Mr. Ahmed, you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Marshall and Hemphill is position 17 and 18 with 2 cases. Simple battery family violence from September 11th of this year, 25 CR 6822G. And then his second case is 25 CR 6823G, willful obstruction of an officer and public drunk from October 29th, 2025. So they're both waivers, Mr. Ahmed?
Yes, Your Honor, it appeared to be so.
Okay. And Mr. Howard, any priors on Miss Hemphill, excuse me.
16 on probation, ag assault, obstruction, 3 counts of terrorist threat, simple battery, trespass. Got a 2020 simple assault conviction, 19 battery, trespass, obstruction conviction, 2017 burglary and first offender, and 2017 simple battery conviction.
And was that first offender too?
Which one?
The simple battery from 2017?
No,
No,
I
okay.
think I got conviction. Yeah,
All right.
conviction.
Ms. Binford, what's your recommendation for position 17 and then position 18?
Yes, Your Honor. So for the public drunk and the willful obstruction, it's showing that she already has a 1,200 surety bond. One for the willful obstruction, another 600 for the public drunk to equal 1,200. We will also just recommend to stay away from the store location that she was at. It was located at 307 Richard Street in Atlanta, Georgia. Also drug and alcohol evaluations. The cops, they say she was drunk when they approached her. And as far as the second charge, the simple battery,
With regards to Willie King.
yeah, sure, the simple battery, we would recommend a 3,000 surety bond, just because she's had a lot of simple batteries in the past, as well as the defendant did push down her mother, Mrs. King, as a victim. So we would ask that she stays away from the location of 226 Fairborn Road in Atlanta, Georgia, as well.
Mr. Ahmed?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Hemphill is 51 years old. Your Honor, she has education till about 10th grade. She has to work. She used to be in government housekeeping for a good portion of her life. She is a Georgia native, born and raised right here in Atlanta. Your Honor, she has I believe 4 children. She has a 32-year-old boy, 24-year-old girl, and then a 21-year-old girl. Oh, and then a 17-year-old girl, soon to be 18, I think, in December. Your Honor, her mom is here in Georgia, as stated. Her dad unfortunately just passed away. As to her community ties, she does clean up the park, volunteering her own free time on her own, free will and volition, cleaning up the community park that's right near her. Your Honor, as to bond, we would simply request it be as low as possible.
On the simple battery family violence, that's going to be $1,000 surety bond. Have no further violent contact with Willie Mae King. And she may return to 990 Gaston Street as long as she does not engage in any altercations with Mama King. On the position 18, it's going to be $500 on each count, and that's going to be a signature bond through the jail. No illegal drugs, no alcoholic beverages, and no weapons. On both cases are going to be further notice to November 13. All right, just a quick go through on the calendar. Anyone who's interested and doesn't have to go trick-or-treating, you're more than welcome to stay.
Judge, can I ask a question for the last one? Y'all said no further violent contact on position number 17.
Correct,
And
with
then-
Willie Mae King.
Okay, and then on the 18, on her second case, there's no conditions on that either?
Just no illegal drugs, alcohol, and weapons.
Oh, okay, but both of the cases are reset to 113.
November 13, yeah.
Okay. Ooh,
All right, Ms. Lewis, you ready?
yes, I am now.
When we go through the cases, can you tell me which one a social worker is scheduled to see?
Okay, if I don't say it, will one of the attorneys please chime in and let me know, because I didn't write that part down.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Frederick Blunt is a 2,500 signature bond through pretrial level 1.
And can you let me know if these are consent bonds? Because I haven't received anything yet.
Okay, that is not.
That is not a consent bond?
Nope.
I thought it was.
Uh,
I just wrote the regular. I didn't write consent for any of them. I just wrote the regular bond down.
Position 2, Branch.
I have
is-
consent bond for, position 1.
No, two,
Okay.
that's what I had.
Okay, position 1 is a consent bond. There you go, Miss Lewis.
I just
Position
want to make sure I get the
2,
paperwork. That's
okay, Jarrell Branch is a 4,500 signature bond for pretrial level 3. Position 3, Briley is a $200 cash bond. Stay away from Georgia Tech, reset November 13. Position 4, Calderon is a consent bond order, 2,500 surety bond. Reset date November 13. Position 5, Carey is a 2,500 surety bond. Reset date November 13. Position 6, Carrillo Deloya is a 10,000 signature bond through pretrial level 2. And position 7, Christopher is a $50 cash bond. Reset November 13. Position 8, Corona is a 1,500 signature bond through the jail. Position 9, Davis is a 2,000 surety bond, reset November 13. Position 10, Jaleesa Fuller is a consent bond for 2,500 signature bond through pretrial level 2. Position 11, Jemiah Fuller is a 2,500 signature bond through pretrial level 2. 12, Gatson is a 2,500 surety bond.
I thought it was 5,000.
5,000.
25 each.
You're right. It's 5, no, excuse me. I don't know why I wrote that down. Okay. It's a 5,000 signature bond through pretrial level 1. No further contact with the
No violent, right?
Right.
And
No
this is a
violent
and this is a
contact, right.
consent bond. Am I
Correct.
Okay. I
And
just-
then Benjamin Gilliam is a consent bond for 3,000 surety bond, reset date November 13. Along with his other case, 25 CR 6837B. Position 14, Grinnell, I want to say is a 2,500 surety bond,
Correct.
Correct,
reset November 13.
at 11 o'clock.
Yeah,
And a social worker visit for MH reasons.
okay, there you go. That would be position 14. Yeah, social worker visit for MH reason. Okay. Position 15, Jamar Harris is a 2,000 signature bond through pretrial level 1 in person. 16, Haslam is a 5,000 split bond, reset date November 13. And
Judge,
Correct.
17, Hemphill is a $1,000 surety bond, further notice November 13. And then position 18, same person, is a $1,000 signature bond through the jail, further notice November 13. Position 19, Hearst is a $75 cash bond, reset to November 13. 20, Huang is a 2,500 signature bond through pretrial level 2. 21, Jackson is a 3,000 signature bond through pretrial level 1 in person. Position 22, Billie Jean is a 4,500 signature bond through pretrial level 1, and that's telephonic. I don't believe there was a social worker visit for that. Okay, Carlos Jenkins, position 23, is a 2,500 signature bond through pretrial level 2. Attorney will be Dennis Murphy. 24, Eric Joe is a 500 signature bond through the jail, reset November 13. 25, Melvin Johnson Jr. is a $100 cash bond, reset November 13. Is that a social? No, no social one. Okay. 26, Timothy Littleton is a $1,500 split bond, reset to November 13. 27, Lloyd is a 2,500 surety bond, reset to November 13.
That's 2,500?
2,500, that's what I got.
Okay.
Oh, on
I
his
thought you
other,
said 5,000.
no, on his other 2 cases,
You're
he's
doing a
got
bond surrender.
5,000 each surety because his signature
trial.
bond was surrendered.
Okay, that's what
All
it
right.
was.
Travis Long, position 28, is a 2,500 surety bond, reset date November 6. at 11 a.m. And that is a social worker visit also for MH. Position 28. 29, Macklemore is a 1,500 surety bond, reset November 13th. 30, Norwood is a 5,000 signature bond through pre-trial level 1.
Judge, can you break down, have that breakdown? Because I didn't get
1,000 each.
$1,000 each on each
Yeah.
charge? Okay.
31, POS is a $55 cash bond, reset November 13th. Robinson's a $50 cash bond, November 13th. 33, Robinson is a $50 cash bond, reset November 13th. 34, Jim Tavia Scott, and that's a consent bond, 2,000 signature bond through pretrial level 1 in person. Attorney is Maureen McLeod.
What's that contact?
No further violent contact with Gaston. 35, Nina Scott is a 3,000 signature bond for pretrial level 1 in person. 36, Simpson is a 6,500 signature bond through pretrial level 2. Scrine is a $3,000 surety bond, reset date November 13. And Scrine has a social worker visit for BHET. Right, Valentine, position 38 is a 1,500 surety, reset date November 13. 39, Vincent is a $50 cash bond, reset date November 13. Daniel Wathen, position 40 is a $50 cash bond, reset date November 13. And 41, Whitehead is a 3,500 surety bond, reset date November 13. And 42, Wisdom is a 2,500 signature bond through pretrial level 2. Miss Lewis, we good? Took a deep breath? Okay.
Miss Lewis, I don't have the consent bonds. I'm going to send you the list, and if you will tell me who the attorney is for them, so I can sign off on them, because none of them are my cases.
There's a list that they send out of who they cover. I don't know if you received that list. I can forward that list to you.
I mean, I have who the prosecutor is, but I don't have who the public defender is.
That's what it is. I have a list. There's a list.
Oh, okay.
Sent out with their clients' assignments.
Oh, okay, great.
Did you see that? I don't know. You were on there.
No, I don't receive it, but if you'll send it to me.
Yeah, I'll send it to you. It has the client's assignments on there. Unless
okay. All right, and I'll sign off on them and send them back to you. Okay,
I'll forward that to you right now. Judge, work with me on these orders, please, please, please. It's gonna be a little bit long, but I'm doing my best.
Okay, I'll see you too.
I give them as much as I can to you as quickly as I can.
All right, everyone. Happy Halloween, last day of October. Relish the moments. Have a Kit Kat on me, and then I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, you said Kit Kat.
Yes.
Okay.
Happy Halloween, Judge.
Or gummy bears at my house. We got gummies.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Okay. Your additional question is, how big bar was that again?
What was that again?
We always ask you the question, how big a Kit Kat? When you say that, we always ask how big a Kit Kat bar is.
How big a Kit Kat? I'll settle for regular size. That's pricey now. So take care, everyone.
Everybody set your clocks Saturday night.
Oh, that's right. 1 hour extra sleep. Enjoy it. Take care.
Have a good night. Bye.
I just sent it to you.
Okay. All right.
Look at the email below, and it has everybody listed who they were. Don't pay attention to the numbers. You just pay attention to the names.
On that, the only changes from what she just sent you is, we swap around as needed with crises going on. I took Grinnell, whose first name is DeAndre. I took Billie Jean from Zubin. Zubin took Scrine from me.
All right. Well, none of those were consent bonds, so I'm.
You're good. You're good.
So I'm good.
Mr. McLean,
I'm just going to sign off on the rest of them.
You send me all the waivers?
I didn't have any.
You send
Oh,
me, you send
I
me all the waivers? I'm just want to make sure that I have all the waivers.
I still need to send the waiver for Hemp Hill. And that's it, I think.
Did you send it to me, sir?
Not yet. I think I need the form. Mike, could you send that to me?
yes, I can do that.
Oh, that's a nice list to have. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. They do send it out. You maybe want to ask them to include you on it. They do it.
I don't know. Nobody includes me anymore, so I guess I don't work here. Just want y'all to know.
On that note.